This is a review by Aries 0083 for the Gundam cast, either the channel or the playlist on my Aries 0083 channel called the Gundam cast. In my video response to our Robert, or was it in my webcam vlog, I mentioned how I got this. It's one of the designs that I like. I didn't like it at first, but I guess the wings light and the sword and watching the anime kind of got me into it. Now this is a first grade kit, or a non-grade. There's no FG anywhere, but it cost me $18, which now that I think about it was a little too much. The bag shows you the model kit's inside. The bag shows you that you can open up the wings and you can mount the two weapons, and he has the hand, and there he is with the weapons. And then on this side it shows you what the kit looks like unpainted, which is basically what I have in the box. And I thought to myself, well, okay, I could work with that. Be warned that I just built this kit today. It took maybe 2 hours to build. Got my utensils in there, and somehow, because I kept these next to a magnet for a while, they're kind of magnetized. Alright, so here we have Shin's mobile suit, and here's the backpack. So there are no leg joints. The leg is one big piece, just like with the Zaku, the first grade Zaku. This isn't painted. This is out of the box how it looks. This is a sticker. This is a sticker. This blue here is a sticker. The red on the V-fin is a sticker, which if you look at the side, you'll see that there's no red there. These are supposed to be white, so I'm gonna have to paint those. I don't know how. I mean, I put my Gundam markers in storage. I bought some Sharpies, but I think I might have to use white out for white. The gun is blue. Gonna have to paint that gray. And here's the backpack. I've been having trouble with the joint here, because on this side, if you bring it up too much, it likes to come out. But you can do like this. Bring these up. But as you can see, it's one big unpainted color. When you bring them down, this part sticks out like that. These weapons, well, let me show the articulation. There is a little ball joint in here. You have to mount this ball into there. That's that for the wings. These are also mounted on ball joints, so they could go like this and spin around. And this part comes down like that and up like this. The sword, you have to mount it. You can't slide it in or anything. There's two notches here that fit into these pegs there. That's how it goes in. And if you want to convert the sword from stored mode to ready to fight mode. Just take it apart and put it back together again. So the same applies with the gun. You have to take it out like that. You can't pull it up or down. So there's some notches where these notches go into. Tabs, notches. Then disassemble, and voila, we have a weapon. So here's the handle. Take it out and put it like this. So all this I'm gonna have to paint. When I paint it, I'll do a photo shoot and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I'm done with it. So now that we've seen the weapons, let's look at the mobile suit. The arms like to come off easily, just like with the Zaku, the first grade Zaku. There's no elbow joint. As you can see, it's one big piece. This hand is on the ball joint. And I guess that's for the, I would call it the burning finger or shining finger. But I don't know what, I can't remember now what it's called in Destiny. This hand also, this arm, also no elbow joint. The shoulder armor does go up and down on both arms like that. And this arm has this hand. It's one piece. Doesn't come apart. There's no waist joint. The skirt armor plugs into the torso, and there's no movement of the skirt either. The legs plug into this plastic piece here, and they slide up into the torso. No knee joint. As you can see, one big piece, and then the feet are ball jointed like this. The same place where I bought this guy, they had the Sword Impulse, and I was a little tempted to buy it, but for $15, I don't know, I don't think so. Maybe if I can find it cheaper. $10 is a good price for first grades, in my opinion. Should you buy this guy? I guess not. You do get stickers for the chin and the eyes, but he doesn't have the tears of the clown. I bought this guy because I wanted to have a Destiny Gundam that I could have on display, let the nephew play with it, and not be like, oh, my $100 kit. If you just want to have a display piece, these first grades are good. But at the price that I bought this guy at, $18 is a little too steep. I still don't know what I was thinking. I was probably sleepy. I make a lot of bad decisions when I'm sleepy. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in all the old familiar places.